today's day and age, our world has been plunged into an energy crisis. As energy becomes more valuable, many have attempted to fix this issue, yet it still is a prominent issue around the world.
The most prominent of these attempts is the lithium-ion battery, or LIB, which include both lithium and cobalt, resulting in these batteries becoming expensive, dangerous, and damaging to the environment, as lithium is not only difficult to dispose of properly, but is also highly reactive with water. Additionally, these resources are linked to child labor from lithium and cobalt mines, and we are projected to run out of cobalt in the next 50 years.
But what if we told you the solution to this was nothing more than a box of sand? Our solution to this problem is a thermoelectric generator using hot sand, as sand's low heat transfer ratio and abundance allows for it to cheaply and easily store thermal energy. Once hot, we use thermocouples that use the Seebeck effect to convert this heat into electricity. Using the power of hot sand and the cool earth, our 7th and most recent prototype naturally generated enough electricity to charge just about 7 iPhones.
In the end, this project is a safe and effective replacement for lithium-ion batteries.